Hello everyone, so this is day 5 of our 30 days Python series, and in this video we are going to learn about else and if condition. In every program we need to use the condition. Suppose this condition is true, then what will happen? If the condition is false, then what will happen? So how we can use this type of condition in Python? So here we go. So this one simple program is called age is equal to 18. Okay, so now age is 18. Now I want to just check if the person age is 18 or over, then we are gonna say that person is adult. But if their age is less than 18, then we can say this guy is a teenager, okay, and this guy is a child something. So how we can use it condition? It's simple, like the age is defined to 18, okay, person age. If, okay, use the if, and then space, and type here if age greater than or equal, okay, greater than and equal is 18. Now we need to use your column, okay, is like this, okay. Now enter and just put the condition like print you are adult, like this. If the condition is true, then that will print the you are adult. Let's run this program. You can see you are adult because the condition is true, but the suppose is here the age is 16. And let's run this program again, and you can see nothing because there is no else condition. The condition is false. So once the condition is false, then we are gonna use here the else statement, okay. Then enter and just use here else, and then print teenager, like this. Now we need to use here else. After else is the column is important, okay. Now let's try this program, how this will work. The output should be your teenager, right? Let's put it. You can see your teenager. If we will just put the condition is 19, okay, and let's see how this will work. Let's run this program. You can see your adult. Now if the suppose we can say if the person is less than 12, then I want to say here that person is a child, okay. Now how we can say that? So we are going to use here the else if. So for the else if, we are going to just enter and just here el if. El if, it means else if. Else if, okay, the age is greater than and equal to 12, then we are going to just print here you are teenager, but the age is less than 12, then you can say you can say here you are a child, like this, okay. Now the age right now is the 19, so we all know that the output will be the adult, but let's put the age is 7 and let's see the output. You can see you are a child. If we will put the 12 or 14 here and let's run this, you are a teenager. If I will put 19 and run this, and you can see here you are adult, right? Using this thing we have learned how we can use the if else condition in our Python program. So whenever you write any program, so you're gonna use here the else if conditions in your program. So you can use these conditions like this, and it's really very simple, okay. In the next video we will learn about loops. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.